Dear guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb review category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and uses, etc. Category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Category fifth. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good. Guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. There is all accepted public parks and reserved. The right can be rolled on a map prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 1 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various new plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check the description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again.